Hi, I'm Joe Wein from Hampden Watch Company. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite watches from our corporate collection. Hampden Watch Company goes back to 1877. My family's owned Hampden since 1958. That makes me third generation in our family watch business. And my son Danny is fourth generation. We've been producing watches for over 100 years. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite watches. It's an absolute gem that was found by my friend Steve Brown at Secondhand Horology. It's an absolutely brand new, in the box, never worn Hampden watch from 1919. Look at this vintage watch box. It's exactly the way it was when it went on sale in 1919. Before I pull out the watch, let me show you the warranty code. So this watch is a man of fashion. You can see that the card is yellowed with age, but it's completely perfect. Let me pull out the watch pad. See how the buckle hooks here and the strap wraps around and clips in place? And oh my God, look at this strap. It's beautiful. Still supple and soft, completely vintage, century-old watch strap. God, it's gorgeous. And behind the pad is the original paper tag. You can see the price. So this watch sold for $50 back in 1919. That was maybe 3 weeks' wages for a skilled factory worker. So maybe $4,000 today. This was a special watch back then. Let me show you a close-up of the head. Take a look at this beautiful Art Deco case. What beautiful decorations. On the dial, we can see some deterioration, and we can see the radium paint has flaked off the hands. But overall, this watch is in remarkable condition. And here's an advertisement for this very watch. Just for fun, here's another man of fashion that was sent out for a modern restoration. It's absolutely gorgeous, maybe even too perfect. I think the loom on this restored dial is more perfect than the original dial was. I love how the restoration blackened the decorations on the case. I'm not sure this was done in the original, otherwise my new old stock watch would have shown it. But it sure looks good, doesn't it? Our family watch business is over 100 years old, and we're celebrating by launching a new collection of Hampden watches. Our new line of Hampden watches are designed for beautiful and personal caseback engravings. We want your Hampden watch to connect you to your own story, to the people and moments that matter most. That's why we say that all watches tell time. Hampden watches tell stories. Thank you for letting me tell you one of our stories. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to see more videos from us, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.